Hi guys, so what a day. I was debating putting up this video or not because I already have a few other videos out this morning or today. One of them I had planned on, which was the Tonic haul because it came in last night and I was like, okay, I'm for sure gonna do that. And then it turned out, the Spellbinders sale came up and then Tonic launched a new showcase, which is gorgeous. So I was like, aye, so I kept making different videos instead of having it all in one video. So I'm very sorry for that, but thanks for watching. I will have the links in the description box. There will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through any of those links. So thank you guys so much for using those and keeping, the channel going in that way. It's really kind of you. So I have this haul that just came in from HSN. I don't remember when or why I had ordered these. What happened recently? There was recently something happened on their site that I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna get these few things. One of the items I want to actually try out here is a Little Darling card set, and I think it's on clearance for like 15 bucks. But yeah, so just real quick to recap the different things. So Spellbinders again is having their Black Friday sale. They call it Happy Holiday. You're in the mood for, but really great sales there. Some of the dollar section with embellishments, of course their dies, just lots of things. Impression Obsessions has 20% off their site. Site-wide, and that is their Black Friday sale. Again, free shipping with an order over 20, and then you get a free gift with an order over 50. And what's cool about that one is they let you choose what your free gift should be, and there's like grab bags or like mystery bags and little or like 3 specific things, but you pick which one you want free. So that's really fun. Again, they have really great background stamps and obviously stamps and dies and things like that. And then Tonic released this morning that showcase called Spring Florals. I know it was floral something, but Spring Floral, really pretty. It's part of their Rococo line. Like I told you guys, I'm not really familiar with their lines like the Verso where the dies kind of interchange. But the Rococo line is basically like line type of dies. Let me see if I can have one to show you what they would consider, like this guy. So it's a line die, you know what I'm saying? But that one has a line and it also has a shadow and all those kind of things that the kit they just came out with. But that's what they consider Rococo. Okay. And it's really pretty. So I grabbed that. I grabbed all the bundles that go along with it, or with whatever you want. Obviously the bundles can be used however you like, but they have a really pretty colorway this week with the weekend bundles. So I grabbed those. Again, we've already talked about that in the different videos, so I'll have the links for you guys. And then I also unboxed the card making magazine, I guess, number 13 earlier. It is sold out on Tonic. The one on Craft Stash does not have the extra die that you get if you were to order the US kit magazine, so you probably want to wait till Scrapbook gets it. It's not quite there yet, but they are supposed to get it in November, so we're getting pretty close to the end of November, so I'm sure they'll get it any day now. I will let you guys know once it hits there if you haven't seen it. Yeah, so I just got this stuff in, and this is interesting because I was like, oh, you know what, this is kind of fun. So let me grab the items. There's just a few things. But like I said, one of them is this really cute set. And like I said, I think it's on clearance for like 15 bucks or so there on HSN. The Little Darling rubber stamps, or LDRS Creative. Very fun picnic. Super cute. It's supposed to make 15 cards. So I want to throw some cards together, or one card, probably, real quickly, just so we can see this, because this is really cute. If you guys are familiar with their Pocket Pals, they're adorable. They are tiny, and so you have the color tiny little stamps, which are so cute, but it's not for everybody, and I know that. Or if you just want to put together a card with that same style, but just want to do it quickly, I thought this was cute. So we'll open this up in just a minute. I did pick up this Sizzix Floral Foam because I believe it's also on clearance right now, but I was interested in trying it out. So here's that, and thank you guys so much for listening to the different sales and stuff like that, because I know some people are interested and some people are like, you know what, I've spent enough money this month, we're good right now, and that's great too. But this will be a bad month to wait on, isn't it, because of the Black Friday sales? But I appreciate you guys checking it out anyway, so thank you guys. Okay, so this one here, it comes to flower stamens, and they had, I think, 2 or 3 different colorways on HSN. I picked this one, and I figure, okay, if I like it, I'll order some of the other ones, because the other one had more like a purple colorway, which was really pretty. I think they have like a cream color one, I don't remember, but under the same link, they have the different colorways. So these stamens are silver and gold, but like I said, the other ones were a little bit different color. This is pretty cool, though, because I didn't notice they're textured. Like, this one has a texture where these are just soft and smooth, so that's cool. Different than what I normally have. And then this foam here. So again, it's flower forming foam, so you're gonna heat it up. If this is how thick it is, that's interesting because this stuff out in here is thick, but maybe that's just a little sample they put on there. No, that's, I would say maybe like an example, should I say, not a sample. It is pretty thick. I think this feels much thicker to me too than like the Crafter's Companion foam, but I haven't made flowers in a while, so maybe I'm tripping, but it does feel a little thicker. Really pretty though. And I was curious because, again, it's always hard to tell unless you look at the description, and which we hardly ever do, don't we? So I thought these were going to be little skinny strips because Sizzix does sell paper in skinny strips, like to go in the Cuttlebug, I guess, or not Cuttlebug, the Big Shot. And so that's what it looked like to me. I was like, oh, and especially at the price because it was pretty cheap, I was like, it must be these little thin strips. But look at this. That's pretty good. It's a nice, really nice, long, it keeps going. Apparently they're really, really long. This is, let me see, does it say on there? 12 by 24 inches, you guys. 5 sheets. So I can't get that back in the roll right now, but really cool. Okay, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. I will do that very soon for y'all. This is, oh, the Anna Griffin Thankfulness 3D stickers. So I do like to pick up her stickers, especially when they're on sale or clearance, because they don't go bad and you can always use them, right? Like the other day I pulled out the Twal ones I didn't even know I had, which they do have right now on HSN site. So that was cool because I just brought them out. Having said that, I thought they were stickers and I couldn't get the backs off of them, so I just used glue to stick them down like I normally do anyway, because I always forget these are stickers and I end up gluing them down, and then you guys are like, hey, those are stickers, you can just peel the back off. I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. You guys are too funny. I always forget. So again, this is the Thankfulness floral stickers, and let's take a quick look at them. Because I know sometimes they aren't inexpensive even when they're on sale or clearance. And I think people are curious, like, it is a nice thing. And then Anna said, this isn't meant to keep it in here forever, like, you know, but why not? I mean, they're so pretty. I guess what she's saying, you know, to move it into like one of those boxes that she sells. But to me, I have them all sitting here and they're fine. They're not collapsed. They aren't broken. They look great. I even have other boxes stacked on top of them and they look just fine. So, I mean, look at how many, this is ridiculous, right? A card, you put 2 or 3 of these on there, or even just one, and it elevates your card, and again, on sale, even better. So really, really pretty. I mean, gorgeous colorways. I really like this one. Look at that. It's kind of like peachy apricot. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. This morning I made videos that you weren't even going to see for like weeks from now because they're like tonic videos that they sent me a few things, and it's really sweet this time around. They sent me even more items to review, which I appreciate because I love their stuff, right? Again, like with Diamond Press, whatever they don't send me, I'm going to go buy it, right? And I like to collect, especially now that they have their site up and everything's great. And before I used to be like, I only got tonic wherever I would find it here and there, you know, because it wasn't really something that was carried out here. But they're sweet enough to send me even more things because, you know, you guys are very responsive to the videos, and I appreciate that, they appreciate that, you know, everyone appreciates that. So it's really sweet, but it makes me very busy, and then I can't put out other videos. Like today I wanted to do some crafting, but I'm like, well, I didn't have time to do it because the time is banked now for later, okay? So the fruits of my labor will be shown later, I suppose. But it's fun, you know? I was just like, oh, well, thank you, because pretty cool, but it does make more work. So, so yeah, I'm kind of a little frayed right now. All right, we have Christmas Botanical cardstock, and I think this is sold out because I remember when I got it a couple days later, I think I had linked some other things, and this was gone, I think. But it was very inexpensive. So if it's still there, I'll have a link for you guys. But I grabbed this because it's pretty. I don't have a lot of thick cardstock. I think the other day I was trying to make a video where I needed some Christmas cardstock, and I was like, it's all like layering weight. Like everything I have, even from like, even the Die Cuts with a View ones that I have, which are usually cardstock, they were very thin. I was like, what is going on? So this is thicker, not super, super thick, but I wouldn't mind making this a card base. Basically, that's what I wanted. I wanted a piece of this kind of stuff to make a card base. So it's not the thickest in the world, but thick enough that I don't feel bad. Look at, with all the poinsettias. Oh, that one's so pretty. I love that. Look at this. Those pops of color with the black, I really like it. Oopsie. The cream colors. So yeah, so that'll be cool. So I'm glad to have grabbed that. So since I've been working so hard this morning, we will veg out with something kind of easy. So let's open this guy up. Oh yes, so Angie, the lady, the owner or designer, creator of LDRS or Little Darling Rubber Stamp or Little Darling Stamps. She's funny. She had mentioned that herself. She's like, if you go on HSN, well, I'll have the links for you guys. But she's like, to find her stuff, if you put LDRS, you're not going to find anything. And it's true. If I put in LDRS, I think it's only like 2 dies that come up. You have to write in Little Darling or Little Darlings and it'll pull up. But her stuff is, I don't know why they don't just code it, you know, differently so you can find it that way. But they went from Little Darling to LDRS, I guess, because I used to remember back in the day it was Little Darling's Rubber Stamp. Like we said the whole name. So I believe there are 15 envelopes and card bases. And then she said there's plenty of stuff to make even more, you know, cards. Obviously you run out of the envelopes and the things, but you're gonna have leftovers. And it comes with a little idea sheet, which I thought was really cute. So like adhere a strip of pattern paper onto the white card with glue or tape runner. Adhere a sentiment on top of the pattern paper, and then add dimension to your card by adding the little decorative pieces. And basically that's it. So they're just showing you kind of formulas of, okay, you want to get these pieces, you stack it up. Actually, it's going this way. And there you have it, which is really cute. So I'm gonna put something together. Let me see. Maybe I'll use one of her formulas, but I want to ink it up a little bit just to make it a little bit different instead of just having such a stark white card. Of course, if you have cardstock that you want to cut down and put on there, you can do that and then build off of that. But if you want everything to come from here, look how cute. Oh my gosh. Look at these little, what is little grass? The tiniest little grass. Oh my gosh, the little butterflies. Cute little flowers. Cute, the little vine. Oh, I love this. So on the Pocket Pals, a lot of the stamp sets had this kind of thing, the little fairies, and they're so cute to color and just adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So a lot of these are very much from those sets, you know, the style of that. And I don't believe these are stickers. Actually, I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. I think we're going to glue them, but maybe not. If these are stickers, that would be news to me, but I don't think so. Okay, so let me go through. I will choose one of these designs. I'm thinking I really like this one. It's simple and it's super cute. And then let me grab some ink though that coordinates with it and we'll get started. Lots of cute things in here, lots and lots of pieces you can still layer up. I mean, you can still add some of this. I love that the little characters are all like different colors, the little skin tones, really cute, really adorable. So let's put this over here. Oh, I guess I'll put this separately somewhere else. And then a lot of the puns in here have to do with about bees because there's like little bees in the thing. So really, really cute. I think all these cards open the same way. Yeah. Oh, be careful with that. Open it the right way. It only takes these 3 pieces for this particular card, but I'll put these to the side for now. I want to use Worn Lipstick. I don't know if that's the right shade. Let me figure this out. I'm going to dab this. I think it'll be okay. All right. So, since this card base is already folded and it's here and, you know, what I'm going to do is, I was thinking about getting a piece of paper, but I have this sheet that just came out of that Anna Griffin paper, so I'm sorry if it sounds ugly or loud. I am going to, I just want something to help me. That's it. So I put it in between the cards so that the different layers won't get pink, just in case it kind of moves, you know. And I'm just going to come in and put pink around the edges. How are you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing great. I know things are getting a little bit crazy. We gotta hunker down again. You know, for Thanksgiving, we didn't even think it was an option like, oh, let's go visit each other. Like, I'll be here, and my mom will probably be by herself at her house. My dad's gonna be by himself at his house. And, you know, everyone else, family just doing their own thing at their houses, respective houses. Okay. What are you guys gonna be doing? Let me know. Alright. I think that's good. I was going to put a little bit of water and let it soak back up, but then, you know, I don't think we need to do that. All right, let me clean this up. I'll be right back. So yeah, that's all we're gonna have is just this guy and then the other pieces. So I'm gonna stick this down. Just a quick card. This guy out. Are you out? And I'm gonna try to eyeball that. This being centered there. And then do you want to pop this up too and there too, or just that? You can leave it flat. I think it needs a little bit of dimension. And then we'll do a little dimension on the others too. So this one's from Tonic, this adhesive. It's pretty thin, so if you want it higher, you double it up, but I like that it's just a little bit extra, and then the next one will be a little bit extra from that too. And I'll just plate that down here. Not quite yet. Maybe there. That looks straighter. And then I'll probably use 3D glue gel on this one just to make it that much thicker, that much faster. What am I doing? I'm trying to get this thing curled up in my hand and it kept uncurling. Alright. So I'm putting 2 big glops. I think that's what they're called, glops. Globs, I guess is the word I'm looking for, but alright. Put that there. Oh my goodness. So cute. Now, of course, you want to do more because this is, you know, pretty basic. And I think I did mine a little bit different than what she had there as far as this, you know, sizing and all that. You still have lots of little other, you know, things if you want to put some of these like in the background or, oh my gosh, put your little bees. Of course, we have our little butterflies. Actually, that's cute. I'm gonna throw a little butterfly on there. I wouldn't use this normally, but I use the syringe, but I don't want to bring that out, so I'm just gonna put a little more on there. Put this little guy out here. Cute. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye now.